Alright guys, we're out here in beautiful... Do I say where we're at? We're out here in beautiful Joshua Tree and we're gonna cook up dinner and let's get started. Breadcrumbs, get them all crunched up in there. Some Parmesan cheese, a little parsley, a little bit of dried oregano, and salt and pepper. And mix well. We're just gonna eat one meatball, all of us together. What did that sound like? Today we're using this sauce because I'm not gonna make my own sauce. I'm lazy. Not lazy, it's too much work. Just put a little bit of water in there, dude. No one's gonna know, but all the sauce, dude. I'm gonna be using these little pre-made pasta. Dude, I like these ones because they're like... Nope. Give that a little mixy mix.
I do like salty.